Hey everyone, I want to quickly go over my project Russell. It's named after, of course, Bertrand Russell, and it is a propositional logic engine. I don't know if that's standard terminology, but that's what it feels right to call it. Basically, it's a little programming language which you can encode propositional logic statements in it, and you can evaluate them. That's it, really. And you can check if they are tautologies or not, because you can evaluate them. And the way you do that is by generating a truth table and going through every possible combination. And yeah, I've encoded some of the most important laws in propositional logic here, and you can run them and check if they are tautologies or not. Yep, they are all true. So the way I made this was I first made the AST, which was pretty simple. Then I made a parser, which I vibe coded because I didn't want to deal with parsing. I wrote some of the tests, and then it wrote more tests, and then it wrote a parser. And I made it use Chomsky, which is parser combinators library, and it's pretty cool and pretty fast, I think. But I don't really care about the performance of parsing though. But anyway, it's still supposedly pretty fast. And then I made the engine, which there is a struct for some reason, and you can parse and you can evaluate stuff with it, and you have to give them some assignments. So assuming that the proposition has variables, you have to give truth values to each variable, and if you don't have them, it's gonna probably crash. And yeah, and I have some other helper functions, and I have this method which computes, like when we want to check if something is a tautology or not, it helps generate the truth table. In fact, this generates the truth table, and we compute that we have 2 to the n, where n is the amount of variables rows, and then we have a counter from 0 to n, and we treat that counter's value as a binary number, and we assign a bit position to each variable, and we just extract that using bit shifting. And yeah, this is for checking whether something is a tautology or not. We return early if we find that something is false while everything else is true. And we have just one test. I should probably make more. And yeah, that's really it. Let me know if you have any suggestions about what I should add, or if you have any questions or comments, or if you have any suggestions about literature. I don't know anything about this topic, and I want to get more into it soon, probably. So yeah, that's it.